Children, now in this video we are going to learn how to write the numbers using decimal. Means we are going to write decimal numbers. For this you have to understand first how to write the decimal numbers. So we have to use the place value chart. You can see, children, there is a decimal point and a point symbol marked here. On the right side it is tenths, hundredths and thousandths. So the first place after decimal is tenths. Hundredths is the second place in the decimal number, and thousandth is the third place in the decimal number. Right inside you are already aware, ones, first place, second place tenths, third place hundreds and the fourth place thousands. Children, when you move to the right, we are having all the decimal numbers, that is decimal part, and when we move to the left we are having all the whole part, whole numbers. So if this place value chart is clear to you, you will be very easily able to write the decimal numbers. Now we can use and also in the place of decimal. So when you have to write 92.67, so point should come in between the decimal part and the whole part, and then place the first place after the decimal to the right, below tenth, the second place below hundredth, and in the left side it is 92, that is a whole number. You have already learnt. So 2 is ones in the ones place and 9 is in tens place. Like this, children, you have to place the values in the place value chart. Children, as I have told you, there are two parts. One is a decimal part and the other is the whole part. When you talk about the decimal numbers, then you will be seeing two parts. So when we say 0.1, that means we are talking about the decimal part. It is a decimal part. So let us focus on the basic concept. If there is no whole number part in a number, then write 0 on the left of the decimal point. For example, if you are having 0.45, there is no whole number part here. So what you have to write? You have to write 0 on the left side of the decimal, like this. 0.45, 0 and 45, your 45 hundredth. Decimal 1 or 0.1, it means we are talking about the same number. How to write? It is decimal 1, or you can say it 0.1. Again, there is no whole number part. So you have to write 0 on the left of the decimal point. This is also read as 1/10. After decimal, the first place is 10th place. So it is 1/10. Let us do some sums from exercise 6.1. We have to write these in decimal form, and the words are given. 4/10. 10th is the first place. So after decimal, the first place is 4, 4/10. And there is no whole number, so keep 0. 700th. How to write it? In decimal form, 100th is the second place. So first place 10th is 0. And even the whole number is 0. And place 7 in the 100th place. It is 0.07. 0 and 07. Or 700th. 1200th. It means after decimal 1 and 2. And whole number is 0. So place 0 there. 0.12. 0 and 1, 2. Here 1200th. Now next is 5000th. 1000 is the third place. So 10th, in place of 10th put 0. 100th place 0. So 0.005. And no whole number. So write 0. 0.005, which is also spelled as 5000th. 110,000th. So 0.110. 0.110. 0 and 110. It is also read as 110,000th. Now the number which you are seeing, 12.05. 12 is a whole number, and in place of point you can say and 500th. There is no 10th, so we have placed 0 here. 12.05, 12 and 05, 12 and 500th. So another example, how to read the numbers using point or using and. So you have to write, when you're using point, then read every digit separately. 8.006. 0.19, so write 0.19. If you are using decimal and point, then read every digit separately. 9.45, 9.45. Then 18.015 or 18.015. 500th. How to write? It is 0 because whole number is not there. 0.05. 500th. 4 and 35,000th. And is used for decimal. 4 is a whole number. So 4.035. 35 is 300th. 5 is 1000th. 35,000th. I hope, children, now you will be able to write the digits, the numbers in the decimal form, and you can read the decimal numbers very well. Thank you children. Have a nice day.